To indicate the source of the article, we often need to add a watermark. So how can we add a watermark in a PDF? WPS can help us solve this problem easily. Click Tools. In the Edit window, select PDF Watermark. Then click Insert Watermark. Then we can edit the text. Here we enter WPS Watermark. We can also modify the color and size of the watermark. After we confirm all the settings, we can see the preview of the watermark. Now all pages of the PDF are watermarked. If we're not satisfied with the preview effect, we can click Modify Watermark to adjust the watermark content. We can also click Delete Watermark to remove all the watermarks. Did you get it? The PDF watermark feature is a WPS Premium feature. Purchase WPS Premium, then you'll be able to enjoy more features of our WPS Office.